If you are ready to get paid as a content creator today, then you gotta stay on the Just Speaks Digital page. Hey there, what's up? You've clicked on this particular video because you want to make money while being as lazy as possible, but you're also a content creator, right? So we all know that content creators are amazing thinkers. We have ideas up the wazoo, but maybe some of your ideas haven't either taken off yet, or maybe you don't have a large audience as of yet. It's all coming, right? It's all coming. But you're looking for some ways to generate some quick income, and I have just the thing for you. These are ways that I've been able to generate income and ways that I've been able to make money with little to no effort. Hold on, let's do this the right way. Let's do this the right way. 3 lazy ways to make money as a content creator. I know, it's a little, I know, I can be a bit corny, to say the least, right? Corny. Anyway. All right, so let's hop into it. Here are my 3 lazy ways to make money and generate income and revenue as a content creator. So the number 1 way is with a niche channel. So I've been able to generate income with my niche channel because I've been able to actually just create content around a particular niche. One niche in particular that we created content around was through telling stories. You don't need a huge following. You don't need a large audience, but what you do need is you need stories. So let me show you how we did this the lazy way, because there's a way that's not so lazy, but this is how we did this the lazy way. What we did is we went through and we recorded a ton of stories in one day. We then took all of those stories and then we had someone edit them and turn them into a podcast. We got paid 3 times, count them, 3 times. We got paid from the sponsors who sponsored the content. We also got paid from the platforms that paid us for the podcast content, so based upon ad revenue. And then a 3rd time, we got paid because we also picked up a couple of different coaching clients and things to that effect. So this particular one way of telling stories and creating content is a really huge way. Recording all of the content in bulk and then hiring people and bringing people in through Upwork. We used Upwork for one site where we brought in some folks, and we also used a site called Fiverr. And I'll go ahead and link to both Upwork and Fiverr down below if you choose to use any of them. But what we did is we hired people to go through and edit that content. So we spent maybe 3 hours, but we ended up generating revenue over and over and over again off of those 3 hours, called repurposing, which is one thing I talk about a lot in this channel, is content repurposing. All right, the second lazy way to get paid is through a site called Printful. Now with Printful, you can actually go through and you can use your brain to come up with different ideas. That's why this is a sort of lazy, right? It's a sort of lazy video. These aren't all the way lazy. I believe nothing is all the way lazy. You're gonna have to put in some work and some effort in order to get paid, especially at the high levels that we want to get paid at, right? We want the big coins. So with that all being said, with Printful, what you would do is you would come up with a couple of different ideas. Maybe it's sayings that you want to put on a t-shirt. Maybe it's using a piece of your content and then putting it on a mug, so on and so forth. What we did is we utilized example number 1. We had our podcast where we turned our podcast into t-shirts, and we sold those t-shirts as well. And we turned a profit on that. So think about ways that you can do something once and get paid for it over and over and over again. With Printful, as I said before, you can have several different ideas. You're like, oh, I got this. Oh, I love this flower. Or, oh, and you can go to, once again, Upwork or to Fiverr and have someone create that design for you and put it out there on a mug or a t-shirt and sell it. Easiest way to get paid, because you're not shipping anything. You ain't got to ship no products. You ain't got to talk to nobody. You can put on, you can really sell as much as you want, and you yourself don't have to physically go. You ain't got to fold up no shirt. You ain't got to take a shirt off a hanger. All of it is automatically done for you through your systems and putting that stuff together. So Printful is another great way for you to make money. One of the laziest ways to do so. Now, my 3rd and final way, lazy way to make money is obviously through affiliates. Now, I say obviously because there's several million gazillion videos on here about lazy ways to get paid. I wanted to talk to my content creators out there about ways that you all can get paid utilizing your brain, because I know we have a gazillion ideas, and we also have a lot of other things that are going on in our worlds. So with that being said, number 3, affiliates. If you love something, for instance, I have, let me find it, hold on. I have this little handy dandy what is this thing? A heating pad. It goes on my neck. See, it goes around my neck. And if you sit in chairs for a long time, you know this to be true. Your neck and your back, if you're bad at posture like I am, I'm horrible with my posture and I sit like this and I type, so that starts to wear on you. Also, if you're getting old like me, need the glasses to see. I need this so that I can keep working. So again, I can put some heat on myself and feel the heat. I need my heat in order to keep on typing and editing videos, right? So with this heating pad, I actually put a link to this heating pad in my link in my bio and on Instagram, and I'm promoting this to sell it. They sell these on Amazon. So I want you to think of ways that you can actually take things that you already have, right? Your phone cases, computers, even the Rode. I have a Rodecaster now. Link into that and link to it on Amazon. And on Amazon, it'll actually pop up for you to place in a little link that you can get to any of the things that you purchase, right? So start to think outside of the box and how you can actually go through and link to products that you've purchased on Amazon and just tell people about them. That is the laziest way you can make money, is to simply go to Amazon, click a link, put a link in your link in bio on your Instagram, and then create some Instagram reels that link to your link in your bio. Hey, go, hey, you want to check out this heating pad that I have on my neck? If you sit at your computer a long time, click the link in my bio, hop on over to Amazon and buy this, because it's amazing for my back. Like literally that took me 1 minute, less than a minute for me to create and say that. And now you're generating income and you're getting paid for purchases that people are making because you've recommended it. And you don't need a huge following to do any of this. You can go to Amazon, you can apply for your Amazon links, and you're ready to go. Now, Amazon also has an influencer program that is a cut above the rest. And that is where you can have a whole page that has all the things. But I'm gonna tell you, if you got a small audience like your girl, just make your own page. It ain't that deep. Make your own page and go through, link to all of the different things products that you buy yourself. And that is one of the like literally you create content like that. That is the easiest way. It is literally you taking your phone and telling, see this right here? This makes my back feel good. If you want to purchase this, click the link in my bio. How easy is that? Super easy, right? It'll have you like this because you'll just be getting ping, 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 getting paid from it. So that is my 3 easy ways to make money as a content creator, to get paid as a content creator. I got more ways. All right. So make sure you stick around. So now I want to hear from you. Are you going to use any of these ways that I just mentioned in this video? Go ahead and comment down below. Which one was your favorite? And what are some things that I might want to take a look at on Amazon that you can send me a link to, right? My name is Jessica. I go by jawspeaksdigital. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you are loving it, if you are down with it, if you are ready. Okay, so that is my Curtis Blow wrap. Now this video has officially ended. See y'all in the next video. Peace.